guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are going to go over the bottoms up press and hold with a 2-arm variation and a single arm variation. All right, so these require a lot of stability, but what's great is they're actually going to help build more stability in your shoulders so your shoulders are healthy. We don't want to do this with heavy weights. We want to stay really light on this. We can use 1 kettlebell or 2, but we're going to begin. We can hold simply here with this 90-degree bend in the elbow. Our upper arms are parallel to the floor. This is a hold. Pressing overhead, biceps by the ears. I'm not bending backwards. I'm not extending my back. Everything is stacked from my kettlebells down to my toes. This is also a hold. Then our press is here from this 90-degree position, 2 biceps by the ears. Again, we can do a single arm variation as I showed you in the beginning, or a 2-arm variation. So for more shoulder stabilizing exercises like this to make our shoulders nice and strong and healthy, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.